So, you're eagerly waiting for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Thanksgiving to increase up your business sales and gain more customers. With AppyPie's loyalty card feature, it's as easy as a pie. Yes guys, in this video, we will be discussing on how to use loyalty card in your app to gain more customers this festival season. I am Rishika from Team AppyPie and I'm going to tell you on how to add loyalty card page into your app. The loyalty card page helps you to engage and reward your customers, helping you get repeat business. So let's get started. Go to appypie.com and click on Get Started. Now enter your business name and click on Next. Based on your business name, the AI will show you some specific categories according to your requirements. If you can't find the appropriate category, you can always click on View More Categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on Next. Now choose your app design. You can always view it in the simulator on the right side of the screen and click on Next. After you have made the basic changes, let's add the loyalty feature into your app by selecting the loyalty card page. Click on View All here and search loyalty card. Add the page by clicking on it. You can always personalize the page by changing the name of the page in the text box given and even the page icon as per your requirements. If you want, you can select a solid or outline icon or image from our library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now let's create a loyalty card. First of all, select the number of stamps. You must be wondering what exactly are stamps. Stamps are used to mark the number of purchases made by the customer. After they get enough stamps, they earn a reward. You can determine how many stamps users need to collect to earn their reward and what the reward will be. While selecting the number of stamps, we give you a free choice to display numbers or icons on stamp, which you can enable or disable as per your wish. If you are showing icon, you have the option to change it from here. Now select the card type, that is reusable or one-time use only. Further, you can provide the final freebie text here. Final freebie is the gift or reward which you provide to your customers when they redeem the last stamp of the loyalty card. The final freebie text will be displayed to your users when they redeem the last stamp. Here, you can write a congratulations message. From here, you can change the final freebie icon and select anyone from our library. There's one more feature that you would love is mid-card freebie. Suppose you want to reward your customer after 12 purchases, but after making 6 purchases, you want to send a small loyalty gift. You can enable a mid-card freebie for that. Under mid-card freebie, you can select the stamp slot where you want to offer the mid freebie and provide mid-card freebie text or change its icon. So basically, the difference between final freebie and mid freebie is that final freebie is offered when the last stamp of your loyalty card is redeemed by the users, while in mid freebie, you have the option to select the stamp slot on which you want to offer the freebie. Before proceeding, please take into account that these changes would be automatically saved after you go to any other page or save it and cannot be changed after that. So make your choices carefully. If you still wish to change in the future, you will have to add another loyalty card feature by clicking on Add Mode or another loyalty card page. Next comes validation. Here you will see two types of validation for loyalty card redemption, via code and via manual check-in. Via code validation is further divided into two parts, single code and unique code. If you select single code PIN validation, you will get a single code through which you can redeem loyalty stamps of the users. Please note, don't disclose your single code with anyone to avoid fraudulent. If you want, you can also enable Allow Multiple Stamps Redemption option through which you can redeem more than one stamp at a time just by using single code. Click on Generate QR Code. Once done, you can print the QR code and save it. If you select Unique Code Validation, it means you have to validate each stamp by using different unique codes. Here, enter the number of codes that you want to generate. Click on Generate QR Codes. Once done, you can print the QR codes and save it. Just for your information, you will have number of unique pins to redeem stamps where one pin will redeem only one stamp. So if any of your app users wants to redeem more than one stamp, then you need to provide him or her the respective number of unique pins for stamp redemption. You also have the option to regenerate unique codes after 70% codes have been redeemed. Please note, for free apps you can generate 100 unique codes only, while in paid apps you can generate up to 1000 unique codes at a time. Next option is manual check-in validation. In this validation process, you need to provide the address and radius in meters for creating a fence. So once your app users enters the prefixed location, then they will be able to redeem stamps. Manual check-in validation is categorized in two sections: manual invoice check and invoice screenshot or image. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to set daily limit for loyalty card usage. You can also set the validity date for each loyalty card by selecting the starting date and finish date. Next comes the details section. Here you can provide details related to your loyalty card. Enter the card name here. Now provide a brief description for your loyalty card. In this field, enter terms and conditions for your loyalty card. Click on Add More to add multiple loyalty cards. Now, let's move to language settings. Here you will see all of the alert messages being displayed on your loyalty card page. If you want, you can edit or update them from here. Now, let's check out page style and color scheme. From here, you can change the page background. If you want, you can select an image from our library or select a solid icon or upload your own custom image from here. You can even change the page layout from here. Next comes Advanced Elements Customization. From here, you can change page elements color, font style, font size and indent. Tick mark this checkbox if you want to hide borders. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. So what are you waiting for? Add loyalty card page in your app now. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and comment below. And if you want to see more such awesome videos, please follow us on our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of such awesome stuff.